Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Chemistry is Life. Today I am going to start a new topic of class B.Sc second year. We know that B.Sc second year has two paper of chemistry, that is paper number 6 and paper number 7. So today I am going to start a topic from paper number 6, which is of organic plus inorganic chemistry, and the name of the topic is name reaction and mechanism. As you all know, the syllabus of this B.Sc second year and the paper pattern, the chapter wise marking system and the sample question paper I have already taught you in the previous video. So जिन लोगों ने अभी तक उस वीडियो को नहीं देखा है, ऊपर आई बटन पर उस वीडियो की लिंक है, जल्दी से जाकर उस वीडियो को देख लीजिए, बाद में इस वीडियो को कंटिन्यू कीजिएगा। तो चलिए हम चलते हैं आज अपने टॉपिक की तरफ, जो कि नेम रिएक्शन विथ मैकेनिज्म। In the name reaction mechanism topic, the topic is divided into three types of reaction. The first one are condensation reaction, second one are the reduction reaction, and the third one are oxidation reactions. Under the condensation reaction, there are seven types of name reactions. Today we are going to pick up the first one, that is benzoin condensation reactions. So let's start the benzoin condensation reaction. As this reaction is under the type of condensation reactions, so first of all we have to know what are condensation reactions. So I will define the reaction. The condensation reactions are the type of reactions in which two or more molecules are combined to form a larger molecule. That are reactions are called as condensation reactions. And in this reaction there is a removal of small molecules just like water or methanol. So this type of reactions are called as condensation reactions. Generally it is just a coupling reaction, and this reaction include formation of carbon-carbon bond. So under this heading the first reaction is benzoin condensation reactions. So अगर हम किसी भी रिएक्शन का स्टडी करते हैं तो सबसे पहले उसका हम स्टेटमेंट देखते हैं कि रिएक्शन का स्टेटमेंट क्या है. तो स्टेटमेंट ऑफ दिस benzoin condensation reaction is the treatment of aromatic aldehydes in the presence of alcoholic potassium cyanide or sodium cyanide. It gives the formation of a parent that is known as benzoin. The name is given for the product, that is the benzoin. So this is benzoin reaction. I will repeat the statement. The treatment of aromatic aldehydes in the presence of alcoholic KCN or NaCN, there is a formation of a parent product which is known as benzoin. This is called as the statement of benzoin condensation reactions. Now we will see the reaction. Here we know that the condensation reactions are the formation of larger molecule from two or more molecules. So in this reaction there are the two molecules of reactant which is benzaldehyde. In this way, this is your reactant. Now this benzaldehyde is going to react with the alcoholic KCN, or you can take the sodium cyanide also. Okay. Now there is a formation of structure of the parent carbon is the benzoin. It is C, this double bond O, this carbon having OH, this H. And this structure is known as benzoin. So this is the reaction. Two benzaldehyde molecules couples each other in the presence of alcoholic KCN as a catalyst to form a parent chain, a parent molecule that is known as benzoin. This is the reaction of this benzoin condensation reaction. Now the main part of the reaction is the mechanism. Now we will see the mechanism of this reaction. The mechanism of this reaction takes place in the three steps, and it is a very simple mechanism. The first step, we will go step by step. The step 1. In the first step, whichever we have catalyst, I have taken KCN. Now this dissociation of this KCN is K plus and Cn minus. We have to take this Cn minus in the reaction. Okay, it is a catalyst. Remember, I have told you earlier also, the catalyst only increases the rate of the reaction. It does not take part in the reaction. It just increases the rate of the reaction. Okay. So step first, the cyanide which is from the catalyst KCN attacks on the benzaldehyde molecule. Okay, I will show like this, plus Cn minus. Okay, the reactant is benzaldehyde. The one molecule of benzaldehyde will react with the cyanide. Okay, here the oxygen having double bond with this carbon, there is a breaking of one pi bond. Oxygen will take the lone pair of electron towards itself. Now oxygen will carry the negative charge and this carbon will be electron deficient. I will show in this step directly. Okay, after taking this electron towards oxygen, oxygen will have negative charge and this carbon will have positive charge. Now this negative will attract towards this positive and there is a formation of bond between this carbon and this cyanide, and here it gives the formation of intermediate product which is cyanohydrin. Okay, now this carbon, here is one oxygen having negative charge, then bond between this carbon and this cyanide, that is Cn, and this hydrogen. Okay, now it is a reversible reaction. This reaction is a reversible reaction. Now this negative charge which is present here will attract our solvent water or ethanol. Okay, we have solvents water or ethanol and there is a formation of intermediate which is cyanohydrin. This oxygen will attract the N1 hydrogen from this water molecule and there is a formation of this intermediate, that is cyanohydrin. In this way, in first step the intermediate cyanohydrin is formed. Now the step second, which is the intermediate which is cyanohydrin will attack on the second molecule of the benzaldehyde. First we will draw the structure of our intermediate, that is cyanohydrin. Now this cyanohydrin will react with the second molecule of benzaldehyde. Okay, this is benzaldehyde. Now here also the same, the pi bond will break from this oxygen and carbon. The electron pair will shared towards the oxygen. Oxygen will have negative charge. This carbon will have positive charge. Okay. Now here is the carbon having positive charge, and from this, sorry, I have forgot the hydrogen. Now here hydrogen, the hydrogen will lose while giving electron to this carbon, and the carbon will have a negative charge on this carbon. Okay, here is a loss of hydrogen, and hydrogen goes with giving the electrons towards the carbon. So this carbon having negative charge will attracts this carbon having positive charge, and there is a formation of carbon-carbon bond. I have told you the coupling reactions are just formation of carbon-carbon bond. Okay, here is a formation of carbon-carbon bond which is like this. This is our previous reactant having carbon, this OH. Here is a cyanide, and here is a new bond between this carbon and this carbon. Here having oxygen as a minus charge, below this hydrogen as it is. Okay, and here the benzene ring as it is. Okay, here in the mechanism you have to show the complete bonds. Now this is all about the second step. Now the third step, the last step of this mechanism is the third step of the mechanism. Just a simple, now we have to again write that structure. The product of second step is the reactant for the third step. Here is oxygen. I will show this like oxygen and hydrogen bond, and this cyanide, this carbon having oxygen minus charge, and this hydrogen, and the remaining benzene ring. In simple, the last structure is here the oxygen hydrogen bond will break just like, okay, you can show here the solvent, that is water. Okay, and oxygen, after breaking this bond, the oxygen will get a negative charge. Okay, and the negative charge will shared between this oxygen and carbon. Carbon will form at a time just 4 bonds. Okay. Already the carbon is forming 4 bonds. After this, electron pair will be shared between this oxygen and carbon. So the carbon has to break at 1 bond. Okay, so this carbon will break this cyanide bond. Okay, अब ये जब बॉन्ड यहाँ से ब्रेक होगा तभी ये वाला नया बॉन्ड तैयार होगा. सो इसलिए ये साइनाइड यहाँ से रिमूव होगा. और मैंने पहले कहा था कैटलिस्ट जो है पोटेशियम साइनाइड, कैटलिस्ट रिएक्शन में पार्टिसिपेट नहीं करता है. ओके, उसका सिर्फ रिएक्शन का रेट बढ़ाता है और आखिर में एज इट इज KCN जो है वह बाहर निकलेगा. ये CN और रिएक्शन में ऑलरेडी स्टेप फर्स्ट में हमने K+ देखा था. तो रिएक्शन होने के बाद KCN एज इट इज बाहर निकल के चला जाता है. ओके, सो कैटलिस्ट इज रिमूविंग एंड दिस फॉर्मेशन ऑफ डबल बॉन्ड and there will formation of our product, that is benzoin. Here having again double bond between this carbon and the carbon, having this removal of the hydrogen which takes place. This oxygen will attract that hydrogen and here is a formation of OH, this hydrogen as it is, and at last our benzene ring, and this is nothing but our product, that is benzoin. Okay, in this way the mechanism of this reaction takes place in the three steps. We have seen all the three steps. If you have any difficulty, please let me know in the comment box, or the students of my college can contact me with our WhatsApp group. Okay, this was all about the first reaction, that is benzoin condensation reaction and its mechanism. It will come in the exam for 5 marks. Okay, it is important, its statement, its reaction and the mechanism. It will carry 5 marks in your exam, in your final exams. In the next video I will cover the second condensation reaction, that is nominal reaction. और इस टॉपिक के ऊपर के जो नोट्स है मैंने ऑलरेडी प्रिपेयर कर दिए हैं और उसको मेरे वेबसाइट पर अपलोड कर दिया है। तो जिन लोगों को उस नोट्स की पीडीएफ चाहिए, डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में उस वीडियो की लिंक है नीचे वीडियो के, तो आप जाकर उस लिंक पर क्लिक करके पीडीएफ इजीली फ्री डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं। इट इज टोटली फ्री। मिलते हैं अगली वीडियो में। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो। कीप वॉचिंग, कीप लर्निंग।